നമസ്കാരം. ഷാഡോ ലേണിംഗ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള പബ്ലിക് സർവീസ് കമ്മീഷൻ നടത്തിയ ജൂനിയർ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ കേരള ഖാദി ആൻഡ് വില്ലേജ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രീസ് ബോർഡ് തസ്തികയിലേക്കുള്ള പരീക്ഷയുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. 16/10/2020 ഈ പരീക്ഷ നടന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായാണ് കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. കൂടാതെ സഹകരണ മേഖലയിലെ പരീക്ഷകളുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ആവശ്യമുള്ളവർ താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. Dash is an economic order where various economic activities are carried out by private individuals for the sake of private profit. Capitalism, socialism, cooperation, communism. Answer option A, capitalism. Dash implies economic, political and social brotherhood among the cooperatives of the various countries of the world. Cooperative Commonwealth, consumer sovereignty, communism, ICA. Answer option A, Cooperative Commonwealth. International Cooperative Alliance founded in the year 1888, 1890, 1895, 1893. Answer option C, 1895. There are dash principles of cooperation revised by ICA in 1995. 9, 4, 7, 8. Answer option C, 7. Carvey Commission submitted its report in the year 1968, 1969, 1967, 1966. Answer option D, 1966. Dash is not a principle of cooperation, all open and voluntary membership, autonomy and independence, cooperative commonwealth, concern for community. Answer option C, cooperative commonwealth. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society in England was founded in the year 1856, 1833, 1854, 1844. Answer option D, 1844. The magazine The Cooperator is published by NCUI, NCCT, NCCE, ICA. Answer option A, NCUI. Dash is the journal in cooperative sector published by Information Bureau, Cooperative Department, Kerala. Kerala Sahakarana Journal, Sahakarana Veethi, Karshakasri, Sahakarana Weekly. Answer option B, Sahakarana Veethi. Single purpose cooperative societies are exclusively being organized in India, Denmark, Germany, Japan. Answer option B, Denmark. NCDC was established in the year 1965, 1962, 1963, 1968. Answer option C, 1963. Large size societies are exempted to have large membership ranging between dash to dash. 100 to 400, 300 to 500, 200 to 500, 400 to 800. Answer option B, 300 to 500. KSCARDB was established in the year 1958, 1948, 1956, 1950. Answer option C, 1956. NABARD was established in the year 1982, 1984, 1948, 1977. Answer option A, 1982. Kerala State has adopted dash system of organization for marketing cooperatives: 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier. Answer option B, 2 tier. Which cooperative is established for the development of tribes in India? LAMS, NAFED, IFCO, CRIPCO. Answer option A, LAMS. National Dairy Development Board is constituted in the year 1968, 1960, 1965, 1970. Answer option C, 1965. Kerala State Handloom Weavers Cooperatives Hantex was established in the year 1950, 1960, 1965, 1961. Answer option D, 1961. All India Rural Credit Survey Committee is also known as Gorwala Committee, Khusru Committee, McLagan Committee, Vaidyanathan Committee. Answer option A, Gorwala Committee. Kerala Cooperative Societies Act was passed in the year 1970, 1969, 1960, 1932. Answer option B, 1969. RBI Act was passed in the year 1935, 1934, 1912, 1920. Answer option B, 1934. The chairman of Cooperative Planning Committee was Frederick Nicholson, Vaidyanathan, R.G. Saraiya, Khusru. Answer option C, R.G. Saraiya. The statutory responsibility of audit of cooperative society is vested with auditor, director, member, registrar. Answer option D, registrar. Dash is a written and predetermined plan of action for conducting an audit. Audit program, concurrent audit, continuous audit, audit memorandum. Answer option A, audit program. Dash is the backbone of auditing, verification, valuation, vouching, scrutiny. Answer option C, vouching. Section 44 of Kerala Cooperative Societies Amendment Act 2013 deals with Dash Fund, Subsidiary State Partnership Fund, Principal State Partnership Fund, Reserve Fund, Contingency Fund. Answer option B, Principal State Partnership Fund. As per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969, every society should set apart not less than dash of net profit towards its reserve fund. 20%, 10%, 15%, 5%. Answer option C, 15%. As per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969, every society should set apart not more than dash of net profit towards its common good fund. 10%, 20%, 5%, 15%. Answer option A, 10%. Dash fund created out of annual net profit of the cooperative society for meeting unforeseen losses or expenses in connection with the winding up of the society. Reserve fund, common good fund, dividend equalization fund, bad debt reserve. Answer option A, reserve fund. Subsidiaries and grants available from government to a cooperative society forms as part of its authorized capital, fixed capital, working capital, paid up capital. Answer option C, working capital. Dash is the fee payable to the government by the cooperative societies for conducting concurrent audit. Audit cost, audit fee, audit commission, audit remuneration. Answer option A, audit cost. Dash means a special charge on movable or immovable property created in favor of a cooperative institution which deals with credit activities. Pledge, gahan, hypothecation, mortgage. Answer option B, gahan. Dash is the appellate authority vested with the powers of appeal, revision and review. Tribunal, registrar, circle cooperative union, government. Answer option A, tribunal. The Kerala Cooperative Tribunal has dash members 2, 3, 4, 1. Answer option D, 1. An appeal to the cooperative tribunal can be filed within dash days from the date of such order, decision or award. 45, 90, 60, 30. Answer option C, 60. Section 84 of Cooperative Societies Act deals with degree by tribunal, revision by tribunal, order by tribunal, award by tribunal. Answer option B, revision by tribunal. The responsibility of cooperative audit is entrusted with registrar, director of cooperative audit, junior auditors, internal auditor. Answer option B, director of cooperative audit. Maximum amount to be paid by the cooperative society as audit fee is rupees 50,000, rupees 1 lakh, rupees 75,000, rupees 1,50,000. Answer option B, rupees 1 lakh. Head of the cooperative department is director, chairman, registrar, secretary. Answer option C, registrar. The final authority of a cooperative society shall be vested with board of directors, general body, secretary, managing committee. Answer option B, general body. All India Cooperative Congress was held at 1950, 1960, 1945, 1956. ഈ question cancelled ആണ്. The Agricultural Refinance Corporation was set up in 1960, 1950, 1962, 1965. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was enacted in the year 1975, 1980, 1982, 1984. Answer option D, 1984. Dash Commission submitted the report for framing Cooperative Societies Act 1904. Answer option A, Sir Edward Law. Andhra Mutually Aided Cooperative Act came into existence on 1990, 1992, 1995, 1980. Answer option C, 1995. Dash operates under state domination, capitalism, socialism, communism, all of the above. Answer option B, socialism. The apex body of ICA is Executive Committee, Director, General Assembly, General Secretary. Answer option C, General Assembly. Rockdale Equitable Pioneer Society in England came into existence in the year 1980, 1844, 1884, 1484. Answer option B, 1844. Capitalism is an economic order where various economic activities are carried out by government, society, private individuals, public enterprises. Answer option C, private individuals. Consumer Fed was started in the year 1965, 1963, 1980, 1975. Answer option A, 1965. The RBI has created dash a specialized financial institution for ensuring the deposits in banks. IDBI, DICGC, NABARD, Exim Bank. Answer option B, DICGC. Dash is an agency function of a bank. Payment of insurance premium on direction of customers, providing locker facility, sanctioning a loan to a customer, discounting bills of exchange. Answer option A, payment of insurance premium on direction of customers. The Reserve Bank was nationalized in 1934, 1926, 1935, 1949. Answer option D, 1949. The risk-based supervisory framework adopted by RBI from 2013 is known as SPARK, camels, NPA, none of the above. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ഡിലീറ്റഡ് ആണ്. The first note issued by independent India was a rupee 1 note, rupee 10 note, both A and B, none of the above. Answer option A, rupee 1 note. The regional rural banks, state cooperative banks, district central cooperative banks are regulated by National Housing Bank, Ministry of Company Affairs, NABARD, IRDA. Answer option C, NABARD. Bank of Calcutta and Bank of Bengal were the names of Dash Bank, RBI, SBI, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India. Answer option B, SBI. Principal functions of banks are accepting deposit, lending, investing, non-fund business and remittance service. Only 1 and 2, only 1, 2 and 3, only 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer option A, only 1 and 2. The objectives of KYC are to ensure that he or she would not deceive the bank, to ensure appropriate customer identification, to monitor transactions of suspicious nature. Only B and C. Answer option D, only B and C. What relationship is created when the bank collects a check is clearing? Holder for value, collecting bank and holder, agent and principal, clearing member and principal. Answer option C, agent and principal. Credit risk to the bank is high from credit card holders, debit card holders, both the above, none of the above. Answer option A, credit card holders. Garnishee order is issued by a police officer, a revenue officer, CID, court of law. Answer option D, court of law. Sans recourse means without fear, without physical touch, without liability to me, without liability to pay. Answer option C, without liability to me. Under Farm Merchandisation Scheme, loan is given to farmer for providing cultivation expenses, providing irrigation facilities, purchase of farm equipment, all of the above. Answer option C, purchase of farm equipment. Pick the correct statement from the following. SLR is lower than CRR. RBI started functioning from 1st April 1934. Notes in denomination of rupee 1 to rupees 1000 are issued by RBI. A decrease in bank rate is likely to lead to a decrease in interest rates of banks. Answer option D, a decrease in bank rate is likely to lead to a decrease in interest rate of banks. Maintenance of the following books registers is not compulsory for SHG: Minute Book, Savings and Loan Register, Visitors Book, Members Passbook. Answer option C, Visitors Book. Wholesale banking refers to doing banking business with individuals, industrial and business entities, including government and public sector companies, only companies registered under Companies Act, large borrowers irrespective of their category. Answer option B, industrial and business entities, including government and public sector companies. What is the oldest functioning joint stock bank in India? Bank of Upper India, Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, none of the above. Answer option B, Allahabad Bank. For the first time, 14 major commercial banks were nationalized by the Indian government in the year 1950, 1960, 1969, 1980. Answer option C, 1969. The following statement regarding payment banks is false. Payment banks are registered as public limited company under Companies Act 2013. Payment banks can offer current and savings account. Payment banks can offer net banking and mobile banking. Payment banks can accept deposit up to 2 lakhs per customer. Answer option D. Payment banks can accept deposit up to 2 lakhs per customer. The maximum age for joining in the Adult Pension Yojana is 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, 70 years. Answer option A, 40 years. That scheme will offer a renewable 1-year death cum disability cover of rupees 2 lakhs to all savings bank account holders in the age group of 18 to 70 years for a premium of rupees 12 per annum per subscriber. PMSBY, PMJJBY, APY, none of the above. Answer option A, PMSBY. Dash is a life insurance scheme which covers the death of the insured regardless of the cause of the death. PMSBY, PMJJBY, APY, none of the above. Answer option B, PMJJBY. The Bank Ombudsman can now pass an award penalty up to dash lakhs 10, 15, 20, 25. Answer option C, 20. The Clayton's rule is applicable in case of maintaining secrecy of customer's account, dishonor of checks, right of general lien, appropriation of payment in a running account. Answer option D, appropriation of payment in a running account. The right of general lien can be exercised in the following cases: when the valuables are deposited for safe custody, when some securities are left with the bank by mistake, when some securities are held by the bank as a banker, when the property is held by the customer as trustee and the bank has notice of the trust. Answer option C, when some securities are held by the bank as a banker. FEMA is the acronym of Foreign Exchange Mail Account, Foreign Exchange Mail Act, Foreign Exchange Management Account, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Answer option D, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Pick the statement that is not true in case of a bank account of a joint Hindu family. The account should clearly indicate that it is a JHF. The eldest male member of the JHF is the Karta. All co-partners should sign the loan documents. Death, lunacy, insolvency of a co-partner dissolves the JHF. Answer option D, death, lunacy, insolvency of a co-partner dissolve the JHF. After the small finance bank reaches the net worth of dash, listing will be mandatory within 3 years of reaching that net worth. 100 crores, 300 crores, 500 crores, none of the above. Answer option C, 500 crores. An entity can be termed as a bank if a firm or company or an individual accept deposit for lending or investment. A firm or company is incorporated under Indian Companies Act and accept deposit for lending or investment. They are money lenders who lend money. None of the above. Answer option B. A firm or company is incorporated under Indian Companies Act and accept deposit for lending or investment. If a customer keeps certain valuables or securities with the bank for safekeeping, the bank is a bailey, trustee, only A, both A and B. Answer option D, both A and B. Demand deposits are those which can be withdrawn on request, on demand, on sanction by manager, all of the above. Answer option B, on demand. Banker's lien is A. Bailment of goods, implied pledge agreement stoppage. Answer option B, implied pledge. A minor for whom the court has appointed a guardian attains majority on completion of 21 years, 20 years, 18 years, 17 years. Answer option A, 21 years. Delegation of power under a trust is possible, not possible. Beneficiary's permission, charity commissioner's permission. Answer option B, not possible. One of the following statement is not true with respect to RTGS. Funds are transferable from the branch of one bank to the branch of another bank. Only the corporate and government departments can avail of the facility. The RTGS system is maintained and operated by RBI. Each participant bank in RTGS will be required to open a dedicated settlement account for putting through its RTGS transaction. Answer option B, only the corporate and government departments can avail of the facility. Security features available with smart cards are multiple pins, retinal pattern verification, dynamic signature verification, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Demand draft is issued by the banks to be valid for multiple pins. 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, none of the above. Answer option C, 3 months. Security features available with smart cards are multiple pins, retinal pattern verification, dynamic signature verification, all of the above. Answer option D. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെ റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് ആണ്. ഈ 87ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെയാണ് 89ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും. When banks give home loans, the nature of charge created is hypothecation, mortgage, assignment, pledge. Answer option B, mortgage. The key in a standard keyboard which delegates one character before the cursor is backspace, DEL, home, end. Answer option A, backspace. Which of the following is also referred to as a console? Monitor screen, random access memory, read-only memory, keyboard. ഈ question deleted ആണ്. A platter of a hard disk is divided into tracks and sectors, tracks only, sectors only, cylinders. Answer option A, tracks and sectors. The popular image editor GIMP stands for Graphics Image Manipulation Program, Greatest Image Manipulation Program, Graphics Inbuilt Manipulation Program, GNU Image Manipulation Program. Answer option D, GNU Image Manipulation Program. The small memory which can be kept inside a central processing unit is referred as RAM, ROM, registers, drive. Answer option C, registers. The network device that can read the MAC address of source and destination computers is bridge, repeater, hub, switch. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും deleted ആണ്. Which of the following is not a search engine? Yandex, Find, Startpage, DuckDuckGo. Answer option B, Find. Which of the following is correct code while designing a web page? Answer option D. The practice of registering an internet domain name that is likely to be wanted by another famous person or business. IP spoofing, IP hacking, cyber squatting, cyber auction. Answer option C, cyber squatting. Which of the following is a system software? Notepad, Ubuntu, Microsoft Word, device driver. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ഡിലീറ്റഡ് ആണ്. ഈ ചോദ്യപേപ്പർ നോക്കിക്കഴിയുമ്പോൾ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിലീറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്.